In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Lists with Excel 2025 guide. We'll start by bringing an Excel file into Microsoft Lists, then export a list back to Excel, set up dynamic refresh so Excel stays updated, and wrap up with ways to analyze the data and some best practices. First, open a browser and go to list.microsoft.com, then sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. From the top menu, choose New List and select from Excel. You can upload a file from your computer or pick one from OneDrive. Before you upload, make sure your worksheet is in table format and that the first row contains clear column headers. Tables import cleanly, and headers help lists understand your data. If your workbook contains more than one table, select the one you want. You'll see a preview of the data. Next, review the detected column types. Microsoft Lists will guess formats like text, number, choice, date, person, and yes/no. Click each field and adjust the data type if something doesn't look right. For example, make sure dates are recognized as dates and choice fields match your categories. This step prevents cleanup later. Give your list a name, add an optional description, and choose its location, either a site where your team can access it or your personal space. Then click Create. Your Excel data is now a fully functional Microsoft list, ready for views, filters, and collaboration. To export a list to Excel, open the list you want, go to the top menu, click Export, and choose Export to Excel. This downloads a .iqe file. Open it, and Excel will pull in the list data automatically. To update the Excel file later, go to the Data tab in Excel and select Refresh All. If you want dynamic refresh, remember that sync is one way, list to Excel. Use the exported workbook, and when prompted, click Enable Content. Then go to Data, choose Queries and Connections, open Properties, and turn on Refresh every X minutes, and refresh on File Open. Excel will now auto-update whenever your list changes, but changes in Excel won't write back to the list. From here, treat the exported data like any Excel table. Build pivot tables, charts, dashboards, and reports, or connect it to Power BI for richer insights. A few best practices. Keep your Excel simple before importing with clean headers and a proper table. Use lists for safe, multi-user editing. Use Excel for reporting and visuals, refreshing whenever you need the latest numbers. And consider Power Automate to send notifications, update Microsoft Teams or Planner, or generate reports when your list changes.